How to do futures demo trading on Binance. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can go ahead and first of all do futures trading on Binance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you are a trader and if you're new, you want to actually learn how to do future trading or something like that, first of all I would recommend that you open up the Binance app. Now for this you have to be on the pro version of Binance, so switch to the pro interface over here. Then here you can see trading and other options over here, right? So you can say spot trading, margin trading, futures trading. So you want to go to the futures tab first. Now first of all over here you can see the derivatives, you can see futures, and then you can choose testnet, and this is basically the demo platform. You'll be given some virtual funds to play with, and this isn't real money, so don't worry about it. So on the left sidebar you'll see all the future markets, as you can see all the markets that you're seeing. And if you want to use the time to trade, you can also use the order box on the right to set up your trades. Now keep an eye on your open positions and the market movements, because this is where you will learn the most. So you can see all the demo orders and everything else that you can find here. So that some of the tips and tricks that I would like to give you is to try to trade with the same amount of virtual money you would use in a real account. You can use a spreadsheet to record your demo trades and analyze your results. And remember, demo trading isn't the same as the real deal. Be prepared for emotions and real market conditions. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more trading tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.